This is Deepak Naik from Technical Private Limited. In my previous video, I explained you how to create a financial year and its period. And for this video, I am going to explain you how to create an account type in order to configure your accounting, which is your second step for creating chart of account for your company. So first, go to accounts and click on accounts type. As you see, I just created some account type here. I just explain you one by one how to create it for your company. So click on, I'm just selecting one account type here, root underscore view, edit, and here you see one field called account type. I just name it root underscore view and define a code for it as view. Here one more field which is very important in order to define the account type, which is PNL/BS category. So here we have some values for it. First value is slash, which means that you are creating a view for your chart of account. Second one is your profit and loss income account. If you select it, all the account if you create any account for this account type, then it will come under income accounts. If profit and loss expense account, it will help you to create expense account for profit and loss. Balance sheet asset account, it will help you to create asset account in balance sheet. And the last one is the liability account. It will help you to create a liability account for your chart of account under balance sheet. Here one more important field here is a deferral method. I selected none because I am going to define a view which is my company name for chart of account. So I just selected none for this deferral method field. None means it doesn't forward any entries for this account types. Balance field, if you select balance, means if you create any account for this account type, then all the balance related to particular accounts will take part in the next year. Detail means all the your reconciled or unreconciled entry will gonna move to your next year. And last one is your unreconciled. If you select this, then all your account entry which is unreconciled for this account type will move to the next year. Click on save in order to save it. Okay, next I am gonna explain you the table one. Click on edit. I just name it table and I provided a code for it as a table. And as you see, all the table accounts will come under your balance sheet liability account. I selected for it. It's your liability to pay all the amounts. So I selected balance sheet liability accounts and I selected deferral method as unreconciled. Means all the unreconciled entry will move to the next year. Similarly for bank, I just defined an account type bank, code bank, and in PNS balance BS category, I just define a balance sheet asset account. All the value for this account type come under your balance sheet asset accounts. And I selected a different method is balance for it. All the balance related to your bank accounts will move to the next year. Now I'm gonna explain how you create a account. As you see, I already created some accounts here, so I just gonna create a new one to explain you. Here you see, when you click on the create button, you will land to this page, which having the first field is account code and account name. Just define the account code. It is user defined code for you, so you can easily track your this account from this code. So I'm going to make one customer account in which I 001, which is my first customer. So for parent, sorry, I'm selecting balance sheet. It means that under balance sheet I will see customer 001 if you click on chart of account. Internal type, there are few internal type defined here. View means it doesn't take part in any journal entries or any other entries which you make for this account. Regular means it's your regular account, like your loan, debit, equity type accounts are regulars. Receivable accounts means all your debtor accounts are receivable. Table accounts used when for your creditors. Liquidity, consolidation and closed. Here you can have a facility to select a account type. For customer, it's a receivable account, so you just select a receivable account type which you created in account types menu item. Active means this is gonna take part in your chart of account, current chart of account. Default taxes, if you want to define a default taxes for this customer, you just define from here. Allow reconciliation means it will use for check this for your, if you want to reconcile this account, and provide an internal log here. And this field debit and credit will its value increase when you do some transaction for this customer. And balance, it will show the balance also here, which is left money which is not given by your this customer. Click on save. If you see your chart of account, select a fiscal year for it. Select first period. Open a chart. You see your company name, which is your root view account type. Here is your balance sheet. I created one account, it directly come under your balance sheet. And your profit loss account, which is revenue, cost side. Like this, if you create any accounts, it will create your chart of account at the same time. Hope you understand it. I will gonna explain you how to create a taxes and payment method in the next video.